Chapter 4 Agriculture. In session 1 we have learned introduction and type of agriculture. In session 2 we also learned cropping pattern and major food crops. In session 3 we have also seen non-food crops and beverage crops. In session 4 we will learn industrial crops and horticulture. Industrial crops. What is industrial crops? Agriculture produce that act as a raw material for industries are the industrial crops. It includes rubber, cotton and jute. India ranks fourth in the world in the production of natural rubber. It is basically an equatorial crop but is also grown in tropical regions. Rubber grows up to an altitude of 500 meters in area having well disturbed annual rainfall of not less than 200 centimeters and a warm humid equatorial climate 21 Celsius to 35 Celsius. In India, rubber is grown mainly in the narrow coastal belts on the western rim of Western Ghats. Well-drained alluvial and red loamy soil are also suitable for rubber cultivation. Rubber is cultivated in Kerala, Kanyakumari district of Tamil Nadu. Some traditional area in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Tripura and Manipur are also suitable for rubber cultivation. Let's learn more about cotton. Is the most important commercial crop in India. Cotton is essentially a tropical crop, but it is also grown in subtropical region where there is no frost. Cotton plants require medium temperature and rainfall. It needs summer temperatures between 20 Celsius to 30 Celsius and abundant sunshine. How much rainfall is required for cotton to grow? It is between 50 centimeter to 80 centimeter. In area of low rainfall, cotton is grown with the help of irrigation. During the period of fruiting, warm day and cool nights are required. Cotton is grown in black lagoon soil found on the Deccan Plateau and well-drained alluvial plain where there is no water logging and frost. Since cotton plantation cannot tolerate waterlogging, good drainage is essential. Cotton cultivation need plenty of cheap labor as most of the work in this field is done manually. Human resource is needed for plucking cotton balls. Which are the states in India produce cotton? They are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Jute. It is one of the most important cash crop of eastern India. Cash crops means an agriculture crop which is grown to sell for profit. Jute is popularly known as the golden fiber for its color and high cash value. Jute is essentially a tropical monsoon crop. Jute needs hot and humid climate having minimum temperature of 27 Celsius and evenly distributed rainfall ranging from 170 centimeter to 250 centimeter during the period of growth. Extensive plain and lowland with clays, loamy and alluvial soil are ideal for jute cultivation. Plenty of clean water is also required after its growing period for retting and washing. states in India grow jute? Major jute producing states are West Bengal, Bihar, and Odisha. Horticulture, the branch of plant agriculture dealing with garden crops, generally fruits, vegetable and ornamental plants. When we talk about horticulture, the first thought comes to our mind is vegetable. India is the largest producer of fruit and vegetables in the world and produce both of tropical as well as temperate fruit. Mangoes of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Oranges of Nagpur